Welcome to this special Valentine's edition set up by the lovely Aishu of Aishu's Crafty Kids Club. Today I have 5 ounces of resin and I am using NicPro, and I mixed some interference red into this. And this is by ColourArte Bling-It. And I don't know that I have ever colored all the clear with mica powder. And in here, into this trinket tray, I mixed a combination of leftover little clay hearts and lips and envelopes with some 3mm faceted glass stones. They were in a baggie, so I just put them into this little container to hold the rest because it was not ziplocked. So I combined these two and put it into the tray already just to save some time. If I have enough resin, I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to put these little crushed glass, decorative crushed glass. They come in a set of 9 with different colors, and I'll use that as a center. But my resin is not quite to temperature, and I'm going to just put it into the edges here as best I can. I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm gonna make a mess, because I want that to kind of soak in and down, and it'll do that better while it's thinner. And then I can wait until my resin gets to temperature. All right, that's good. That's good. Ooh, do I have a little glass bead there? I do. There. All right. Now we wait. I'll be back. We're back. My resin got to 92.5. I decanted 30 grams and 30 grams. And I brought out alcohol inks by Ranger, and this one is Crimson. And I also brought out Hustle by TLP that I'm gonna add in. And of course, in my white, I'm gonna have Julie's Bloom Paste. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. I want to give a special shout out to Aishu of Aishu's Crafty Kids Club for organizing this Valentine's 2-day special. And not only is pink and red representative of Valentine's Day, but pink happens to be Aishu's favorite color. So this one's for you, my dear. All right, up before me, you will have seen Betty with Oak by Bettina. Thank you, Betty, for passing everyone on to me. And please stay tuned afterwards as Taz from Tazlima Maya Art is following me. So thank you all for being here. Now, if you happen to miss any of the artists, either yesterday or earlier today, please make sure you check out the playlist in my description below and go back and have a good time. Get those Valentine's Day vibes on. All right, I'm gonna let you sit back and enjoy this. See you at the end. it's time to unmold. So let's demold. I had a little bubble come up here, which I popped, and then I filled it in with UV resin and cured it. I'm gonna get these out of the mold first, and then we'll flip them over. That resin is sharp. Okay, let's do this one first. Ooh, it's pretty. Wow, okay. This turned out really well. One thing I have to say is there's lots of little bubbles in and around. I don't know if you can see in where the pieces are. But overall, not too bad. I could probably fill those in as well with some UV resin. I'm not sure about my color combination here with the yellow and this particular pink. But it's pretty. I think overall, it's really cool. It's a cute little Valentine's tray. All right, let's look at this one. Oh, and this one was fun. That's pretty good for Valentine's Day. It's still, you know, it stayed in those kind of heart formations, and this one I was hoping would have a heart. Didn't really quite do it, but oh well. So there we have it. Here's my two pieces. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, bye for now.